Try to put me in a box I don't fit. Try to make me blend in, I won't quit. God made me on purpose with intention. Every quirk, every flaw is part of the mission. They say I'm too much and not enough. Too loud, too quiet, too soft, too tough. But I was crafted by the master's hand. They don't understand, but that wasn't the plan. I don't need approval from the crowd. I was built to stand out, built to be loud. In a world of copies, I'm the original print. Signed by the creator, that's the blueprint. I'm not like you, and that's okay. I'm not for you, I'm built this way. Can't change me now. I'm built different, yeah, I'm built different. God made me special, that was intentional. Built different, yeah, I'm built different. Not a mistake, this is all sequential.